Hello everyone. Today's topic is write a C program just to calculate the simple interest. Okay. So again, it is like a basic mathematic type of calculation only. If I want to calculate simple interest, then we require actually three things. First is the principal amount. That is the first thing. Then second is the time, and the third one is what rate. Okay, so here we have declared total four variables, that is float, then principal, time and rate, and our answer we have stored in SI variable, that is simple interest. Okay, so everything we are writing inside the void main function only, and initially two header files hash include stdio.h and hash include conio.h. So first of all, we are asking user that you enter like printf, enter the principal amount, and then scanf. So for example, let's say if user has entered principal amount as 50,000. Okay, for example, okay, they enter the time. So let's say for example the time is 2 years or something like that. Okay, so I'm writing 2 here for time, and then enter the rate of interest. So let's say for example 5.8 as a rate of interest. Okay, so formula for simple interest is nothing but principal then multiplied with time then multiplied with rate in one bracket and then divided by 100. Okay, so basically 50,000 into 2 into 5.8. Whatever answer we will get, we are going to divide that answer with 100. Okay, so that is what we will get simple interest. And then printf simple interest equal to, and we are printing the answer of simple interest. And then get ch and close the bracket. So here we have the sample output also, like enter the principal amount. Okay, so that is nothing but 50,000. Then enter the time, so let's say 2, and enter the rate, that is 5.8. so simple interest equal to 5800 point what 00, as we have not mentioned point 2 here. Okay, that's why you all can see here after that point or dot you will find 1 2 3 4 5 6 zeros. Okay, if you are mentioning here point 2, so obviously it will display only 20, not 6. So that is all about calculating the simple interest using the basic or simple mathematic formula, that is simple interest equal to principal into time into rate and then full bracket divided by 100. So thank you all.